expo. And also there are issues that we're dealing with in Lagos. As you are well aware, the coronavirus situation is very much occupying the forefront of our attention. But having said that, this is so important to us. We can't neglect other diseases. Sight is such a precious gift to all human beings, and it is something that we pay particular attention to. Glaucoma is one of those diseases that just creeps upon you. You may not be aware that it's happening to you. You may not even have any symptoms. But as the disease progresses, it damages the back of your eye, and eventually you will lose your sight. Now, that is something that we are trying our hardest best to make sure that everybody in Lagos is aware of the risk of glaucoma, just like we would like you to be aware of the risks of hypertension and diabetes. These are the slow chronic diseases. So it's important that you are screened, that you gain access to one of our 9 general hospitals that has ophthalmological specialty, that is specialties where we look at the health of our eyes. Please pay attention. When you go to the hospital, ask that your eyes are checked. Glaucoma is a disease that comes on with advancing age, just like hypertension and diabetes. So it's something that we want you to be aware of. Glaucoma. Learn about it, read about it, ask questions about it. And more importantly, as you pass the 2nd and the 3rd decade of life, make sure that you go to the hospitals and ask your doctor once a year, I would like to measure the pressure in my eye. Glaucoma is a disease of pressure inside the eyeball. Just like blood pressure is a disease of pressure in your system, glaucoma is a disease of eye pressure. And as the pressure rises, if we don't stop it from rising, it will damage your eye and you will lose your sight. So it's important that we know that you know that you can have your eyes tested at any of our 9 specialist hospitals that look at eye disease, or anywhere in the private sector that has an eye doctor. So what we're doing this week is just to promote awareness, draw your attention to this condition, and so that when you see your doctor, and whether you see your doctor or not, just present yourself for an eye checkup, ask them to measure the pressure in your eye, make sure that you're not developing glaucoma, and if you are developing glaucoma, we can treat it early and protect your sight so that you grow old with clear vision. So that's our message to all Lagosians. Have your eyes checked once a year. As you pass the 2nd and the 3rd decade of life, make sure that you're checking your eyes regularly. If you have a history of glaucoma in your family, it's more important that you pay attention to it so that we can preserve your vision and you can live to a ripe old age with good sight. So on that note, I'd like to thank the directors in my ministry who are pushing this agenda and this campaign so that we bring it to the attention of all Lagosians, the importance of eye health and screening for glaucoma. Thank you very much.